I thought I'd drop a video. We're getting some rain now. It just started coming down all of a sudden. And it was blowing kind of sideways, but it's the much needed rain. It was hot today. Across these big trees on the other side is a park, and there was a lot of kids playing. And when it started raining, they were screaming pretty good, but I think most of them got caught in the rain, but it's not going to hurt them. But yeah, it's slowing down now. Anyway, much needed rain, cooled things off. Temperatures dropped quite a bit. Anyway, beautiful. Beautiful. Anyway, that's it.